Vijay, it's Christian here from BOTB. I can see you're at work today. What is it you do?
Yes, I'm at the warehouse, yeah.
You're at the warehouse. Excellent. Sorting out all the lovely packages.
Yes, pick and packing.
I've got some very good news for you before you get run over by a forklift. Vijay, you entered into the BOTB Lifestyle competition. I'm pleased to say you've just won the Dacia Spring Extreme and £2,000.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's our pleasure. The Dacia, it's a wicked car. It's kind of like a little mini 4x4. It's like jacked up slightly. Looks really cool, as the name Spring Extreme would suggest. And it comes with £2,000.
All right. Okay, perfect. Thank you. I never expect this one.
Amazing. What made you play for the Dacia? Out of all the different prizes in the lifestyle competition, why that car?
It looks nice car, and I remember it's electric.
Yes, it is electric, yeah. Did you ever think you'd win BOTB?
No, never.
You just had your fingers crossed.
This was my first time in my life.
Fantastic. Well, huge congratulations. What do you think your wife will say?
But my wife usually says, one day you will surprise. He called me.
Today's the day. Today's the day. He's being called back to work. Sorry. You get back to work, Vijay. Great chatting. Massive congrats. You are this week's winner of the lifestyle competition, my friend. Well done.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
No worries.
This is wonderful. Thank you so much.
Great to meet you. Cheers, Vijay. Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye.